3. Wonder if that's enough. Better give it one for the pot. The milk! Oh, dear. Oh, now it's too weak. I never seem to get it right.
Does this sometimes happen when you make coffee? Well, now let's see how easy it is to make coffee that tastes marvellous and always comes out right every time you make it. Start with water from the cold tap. It's fresher. Warm the jug first, the same as you do for tea. Then measure 4 heaped dessert spoons of coffee into it. And then you don't need one for the pot. Pour on a pint of boiling water. Be sure you know how much your jug will hold. Give it a stir and leave it to stand in a warm place for 3 to 4 minutes to give it time to infuse and allow the grounds to settle. Then heat the milk, but don't let it boil. And strain the coffee straight into the cup. Doesn't it look good? Tastes good too, with a delicious aroma. Someone's going to enjoy that cup of coffee. And wasn't it easy? As easy as making a cup of tea. No tricks. Just cold water, a clean jug or pot, and correct measuring. And you do exactly the same whether you make coffee in a percolator. Let it perk for 6 to 8 minutes only. Or drip pot. Or a vacuum type coffee maker. If you use one of these, once the water's gone into the top bowl, leave it on reduced heat for 3 minutes. Turn off the heat and the coffee will come down into the lower bowl. Make coffee like that, and everyone will want to know how you do it. Correct measuring is important when you make instant coffee too. Use 1 heaped teaspoon to a cup and pour on boiling water. Add milk, just a little. You want to taste the coffee, and sugar. Instant coffee is made from 100% pure coffee, processed so it dissolves as you pour on boiling water, and makes a good cup of coffee. As for what coffee you buy, your local shop stocks several brands of ground and instant coffee. Only buy a few days' supply of ground coffee at a time, and if you buy it in a paper bag like this, store it in an airtight drawer to keep it fresh. And if you buy it in a tin, make sure you press the lid on to keep it airtight. And next time you make coffee, remember those 3 C's. Cold water, clean pot, correct measuring. 4 heaped dessert spoons of coffee to a pint of water. Or better still, 4 level standard coffee measures. You can get one of these from your coffee supplier. Lots more people are enjoying coffee nowadays. How about you? For further details on how to make a good cup of coffee, write to Coffee Information Bureau, Williams House, Eastbourne Terrace, London W2.